How to add or remove the dim flashing lights widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then tap on the add button. Next, once you are in an edit mode, go down and then tap on add a control. Now in the control list, we scroll down to the bottom and go to the vision accessibility, then tap on dim flashing light. And here you can drag on the handle at the bottom to enlarge the widget, or you can make it smaller. And that's it. Now swipe up to go back to the home screen. And when you want to quickly turn on or turn off dim flashing lights, you can tap on it to turn it on or off. To remove the widget, just tap on the add button to go into an edit mode, then tap on the remove, then swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.